Hi, it's Chris. In this video we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall the knob on your GE cooktop. Replacing the knob on your GE cooktop is very easy to do and does not require any special tools at all. Keep in mind if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. Some of the reasons you're going to be looking at removing and reinstalling the knob is over time they will break. Sometimes where they go onto the shaft they'll split and they no longer lock into place properly, so you'll have to replace it. Otherwise, you're looking at just removing it for cleaning purposes, either the console, getting debris out from underneath the knob, or cleaning the knob itself. Removing the knob is very easy. You're simply going to reach down, take a hold of it, and just pull straight out towards you away from the range, and it will slide off the shaft of the switch. Reinstallation is just as easy. You'll just want to make note that on the shaft of where the knob goes on, there'll be a flat side. So you just want to look on the other side of the knob to see where that flat side is, line that up, bring it into position, and then just press it down into place. And it's just that easy to replace the knob on your GE cooktop.